Hello everybody, guys, this is Paolo, this is Everybody Linux. Today I want to install ArchLinux using the new way, the Archinstall script. That is the easiest way that we have since a while, so it has improved and make it easier the installation of this operating system Linux. I will now show you using VirtualBox how to install this system. So here I have the dashboard. I will create a new machine. And then we see also the installation page from ArchLinux website. So we put ArchLinux here. Okay, so the ISO is this one. Okay, so go next. And now we'll proceed with the other settings. I will put at least, yeah, it's even better, maybe 3072. That's with 2 processor. Is pre-allocated. It will be taking a while to create a disk, and then I think it's fine, and then I will fix other things when it's prepared. It will take a while because I set pre-allocate, so I will put on hold the video and then I will come back in a second when it's ready. We continue with the installation. Okay, the machine is ready, so now we can set some other things inside this machine. For example, I want to improve the video memory to 128. Okay, so this is one thing I wanted to do. And yes, okay, so no, must be changed. The order of boot, don't want floppy, it's fine. Sorry, I'm using an R, so that should be better. I can remove this. So display edit, storage is fine. Okay. So generally we are okay like this. And yeah, so we can proceed with the installation. Yeah, it's fine. And let's go and start up the machine and install ArchLinux. Okay, here we go. We can choose Archinstall medium. Let's wait. Everything's fine so far. So we are going to the prompt now, to the command line shell. There should be ZSH and not bash in ArchLinux. And then also I'm starting to open the installation guide of ArchLinux so we can see what we have. And also the download guide. I want to have some note to speak 1 minute about how to download, because I didn't do before, guys. I want to do it now. So okay, so here we go. Here is the prompt, our command line. Here we are at the command line of ArchLinux. As I said, the bash is the shell is ZSH. Yes, as you see, guys, with this variable, we print the variable of the environment variable for the shell, and it say that we are using ZSH and non-bash, just to make sure. So I wanted to tell you about the installation guide. So what you have to follow is this one. So this is what you want to follow, but this is the method that is not speaking about the method I'm following. So this is the old method that is most difficult, but you can use the Archinstall script that are in another page. So here is the page that you have to follow for the Archinstall script. Okay, so anyway, there is also another thing to mention that I want to say, and regarding also here you have all the guided installation, by the way, so you can follow up this. That's what I'm going to do now. That's what I want to do now. So I want to follow step by step, but of course I also have to mention that here there is the download page where you can download the torrent like I did. Okay, so you click on this and you will download the torrent file. And then you need a qbit torrent like I did, for example, this. I set up here and I open now, I show you. So this application, once you download the torrent, it will connect to the server, and then you, as I did, okay, it's already downloaded, and then the one that I put before in VirtualBox is this one, and you can easily download it. Is less than one, so it's basically 942 gigabytes, so it's not that big, smaller than most of the other version distros that you find online. So let's go back to the ArchLinux installation. So let's proceed with the installation using the Archinstall script. I will describe what it is. So guys, I clear the screen now using this command just to put a little bit more, let's say, clean the screen in a little better view. And yeah, so the first thing we should do is to ping the archlinux.org website to see the server, to see if we can reach it. Okay, so because that's what we need to run the script. So that's okay. Our NAT card is the connection with NAT is working, so it can reach the server. So I can clear again this screen. So okay, so we can proceed with the Archinstall script. Launching the Archinstall script. Let's do it like simply type in Archinstall. Okay, so nothing else than this. So, and this will start the installation via script. Fine, I type it correctly. So now we will have the menu. It's checking the version. Very good. Everything is okay. Okay, so this is the main menu of Archinstall. And I will go to see one by one every option. It will take a while, but it's convenient. It's better to do it, to check all of these options and to see if they are okay. So let's start from the first one, Archinstall language. Okay, we leave it English. Okay, we leave it English. That's what I want to use. But you can set any language you prefer. So it's available in many ones. So now you have to choose the mirror region. So I am based in Ireland. I can choose any in Europe. It's fine. I can choose one randomly. I don't know, Germany, for example. Let's choose Germany. If you are in Asia, you can maybe better to use, I don't know, one of the one available in Asia. If you're using them in America, North America. So it depends, or South America. It depends on what you, or any other region in the world, Africa, Oceania, whatever you prefer. So this is done. So we do back. And this is the disk configuration. This is the most important part. As you see, there is defined at the side of the option. So it means that we have chosen it. So I would suggest to use a best effort default partition layout. It will make the thing much easier, guys, because it will already preset everything as the name say of the option name says. So I would suggest yeah, we check the configuration is what is suggested. So I would suggest to follow this. You have a loopback device, 28, less than 1 gigabyte and 126 gigabyte the hard disk. Yeah, okay, I choose BTRFS. That's the one usually that is chosen with the yes and yes. Okay, so disk option, I will skip this. Bootloader is already set to group and it's fine. Swap true. Hostname, I'm okay with ArchLinux, but you can customize the name. Root password, okay. So we choose the root password now, and we put a password, and then we ask the confirmation. I put it short anyway, it's a test system, so I don't have to put anything that difficult for the password. So user account, but you can use whatever you need according to your security standards. At the user, I add my name, Paolo, okay. The password, yeah. Should Paolo be a super user sudo? Yes, sure, why not? Confirm and exit. Audio profile, sorry. Profile, you can set, for example, the graphic desktop if you want. So you set to type, you go to type, desktop. That's what you usually use. I will go with GNOME, okay. GNOME, that's what I use. GNOME is it's good for me. So I go graphic driver. I'm okay with VirtualBox. Yes, I'm using VirtualBox, so that's fine. I'm going back and kernels, Linux in default, I leave it. Additional package at the moment, I don't need to put any additional package. You can put Firefox or whatever you know, but it can take a long time, guys. I advise you in advance. Network configuration, anyway, you can also add later this any package. Network is just a convenience. We are already there doing this ratio. Network configuration, yes. I want to use Network Manager. That Network Manager is the main, the most used now in the newest distros of Linux. So I deeply recommend you to use it. And yeah, necessary to say to configure internet graphically in GNOME and KDE. So I would suggest to make it easier, guys. Automatic time sync is true, perfect. It will update automatically the time. Optional repository, same or additional package. I don't have to set anything now. I'm fine like this. I would say the time zone UTC is fine because I am based in Ireland and that's what I'm using. Okay, so I can click install. Let's do it. Now we appear the JSON. Fine. Press enter to continue. Finger crossed. And now it's formatting the hard drive, my drives, and then we'll create a partition automatically. So as you see, guys, you don't have to type fdisk and all the other commands to format the file system and to mount the drive. It's creation of the partition, mounting the partition, creating all the file system. Everything is done automatically. That's why I recommend you guys, if you the first time you use ArchLinux, do this. As you see, it's nothing complicated. It's really handy, especially because with Archinstall, sorry. Archinstall script made the things easier. Okay, so I'll put on hold 1 second, then I will come back when it's ready. So guys, the installation is going to finish, so we are almost completed the task, so everything is going to be fine. Looks like it. Fingers crossed. Let's see. I think we are the final stage of the installation. It usually take a while, but you need to be patient. So I just put on hold the video because it says installation finishing, no error reported, as you see, so very good, because otherwise it would have become too long. So I think we are at a good point now. I'll put on hold again and I will come back. Installation is going to end in a while. It will take a while, guys, so be patient. And at the moment we are around 10 minutes. So of course I won't wait hold on all the video. I won't show all the video with the installation, otherwise no. Okay, so it means that we are yes, no, I would say no, we are at the point that they ask me if I want to chroot. No, I don't need now, to be honest. So I will switch to no, and it will because I don't need to actually to perform any post installation configuration. I can put no and go to my Linux system, new Archinstall. So now ArchLinux, sorry. Now I will I have completed the installation using Archinstall script, and I can reboot. Okay, so once you arrive at this point, guys, just reboot the system. As you say, the green message here in green, installation completed without any error. You may now reboot. So I'm rebooting, and then I will show you the desktop of ArchLinux, the GUI, the graphical environment, because I've chosen GNOME. So GNOME, it will be my graphical environment, my desktop environment in Linux. So rebooting now. We'll come back in a while. Okay, system is booting. Let's wait for a while, and then it should be okay. Here we go. Here we go, guys. This is ArchLinux. This is my new ArchLinux system, and I can enter with my password that I set before. So now we will check together this new system. I'm looking forward. Okay, so take a tour. Yes, why not? Let's take a tour. I'm excited like you guys, same, because it's my first time that I install ArchLinux. Start the tour. Let's start the tour. Please press the super key to open Windows and up. Okay. Just type to search, type in the already search, launch apps. Very good. Thin on top with works. Easy organize the window with the, okay. Good. Thank you. Okay, guys. So let's see here. There is the music app. Then we have the calendar, the web. I didn't install Firefox yet, but I can do it. This is a file manager. It's typical in Linux, that icon. So I have the same more or less that I saw in other system. So okay, so I already like it, to be honest. Okay, good. Looks very fast because I gave a little bit of more memory. Otherwise, it would have been more slow. Don't choose 1.124 megabyte for the memory, guys. Otherwise, it will be very. I already tried with other system and it's not good. So okay, so all these are the application. I can search for my console. I think it's it's the console here. Let's see. Okay, good. Very good. This is my home directory in Archino. Okay, guys. So the application has been, the installation has been completed using the Archinstall script. That's what I recommend you to use if you are if you are a beginner with Archinux. Then you can also installation with using the original way, the most difficult ways, using the original installation method with fdisk, etc., etc. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video or if you like my channel. And if you want to add any comment or contribute to the knowledge of Arch Linux, just add with a comment anything you know about it, because we will really be very willing to learn and together. So that's my, let's say, motto. We are here all to learn and we can contribute together to the community. Okay, guys, thank you for watching again and have a good day.